Hello and welcome to this video about the Meridian 507. This is a continuation video, and I talked about it before, and the fault was that the player wouldn't work because the laser was dead. And there's a very good reason why the laser was dead, and the reason that I'm not turning on the player as yet is will become pretty obvious soon. What is happening is that it fires up the laser the moment it's on, and you can see there, and that's like 450 or 500 microwatts. I normally use it on that scale, okay? So it's off the scale, and normally players on that scale do about 100 to 200 microwatts, no, mostly 100. Some Philips mechanisms go 300. This is 500. You see, the player is off. It's not even on. You know, but it doesn't matter if you turn it on. The power will now fluctuate. It will try to read. And now it is within reasonable range, as you see. But then it goes batshit crazy, goes to the other scale. And it will just stay there. So this is why... And this happens even if you turn it off. You see, now it's off, and if I put the probe on the appropriate place, on the laser lens, it shows you that it's got half a watt of output. So that's why I killed the power now, in order not to cook another laser. Never seen anything like it. And even though I've been doing CD players now for about a decade, I mean exclusively CD players, this might be the first one that I will have to tell the owner that it is a write-off. This is because it's worth about $1,000. I've already went through about $300 worth of labor. It was very difficult to work on this. You know, all this is suspended on that chassis, and normally this sits there, the bridge, so you cannot even measure anything. So I took a puck off the bridge so I can actually test it, and I can put laser meter there. But because there is no information on it, I cannot get a circuit diagram of any sort. And well, I asked Meridian if they will give me one, but my normal sources don't have anything on it. So it is not just mechanics, but you know, it's probably, you know, a fault somewhere in the smarts. And I looked already on the servo board underneath. A few caps were leaky. I replaced them, but nothing untowards there. No ICs that look damaged. So without diagram, I would have to spend a lot of time, and it's probably not worth it. So we'll see what Meridian will say, but there's a fair chance that that will be the end for this player. Well, thank you very much, and till the next one. Bye-bye.